Welcome and good morning YouTube. There's a special kind of magic in the air as the sun begins to paint the Moroccan sky. We've just topped up the tanks at this petrol station and the engines hum with the anticipation, and a crisp morning chill remind us that a great adventure is about to unfold. Seeing the local shopkeeper, your uncle, sweeping up the dust away as the day awakens is quiet moments, these glimpses into everyday life that truly make a journey unforgettable. Get ready because the open road is calling and Morocco is ready to share its wonders with us. Watch and follow us, dudes. After about an hour and a half, our journey has led us to Sidi Rahal, Morocco, a place that whispers stories with every breeze. Imagine this, the sun is just beginning to paint the sky with soft hues and we're on the hunt for the perfect Moroccan breakfast. As we wandered through the busy streets, the scent of freshly baked bread started filling the air, a promise of the day ahead. We found ourselves drawn to a small, unassuming spot where the aroma is strongest. It's here, in this simple sitting, that the magic of a Moroccan morning truly unfolds. We're greeted with warm smiles and the clinking of glasses. Soon a spread appears, hooks drizzled with golden argan oil, sweet honey and creamy amno. There are bowls of olives, fresh mint tea brewing, and perhaps even some semen. Those delightful flaky pancakes, each bite is a taste of tradition and a connection to the heart of this town. Guess what? And it's this little restaurant right here on the right hand side. I seen it by just looking at some of those boiled eggs I could see. Man's got the purest form of honey here. Look at that, wait.
Andy!
Some wise words for today.
Wise words for today is if you see a child on the road, don't run it over. I nearly ran over two kutte.
Yeah.
And
Did you kick any?
no, I not kicked anything yet, but I'm just gonna try not to ride at the front. That'll be my wise words to myself. Don't ride at the front.
He's your leader. Sorry.
I'm the leader because Ibi Shah is running a taxi base from Marrakesh. Yeah. He is, I swear to God,
Listen.
right now he's a taxi operator inside Marrakesh.
I'll lead,
Yeah?
and if you find us too slow, then you carry on.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah?
Ibi Shah's running a taxi base
Wise
from
word for
Marrakesh.
today.
Assalamu alaikum.
Is that the only wise words you've got for us?
Speechless on the camera.
Daniel, tell us some wise words.
Stay liquid.
Stay liquid.
Don't forget your prayers.
Well, are you feeling a bit stooly? Mopri, have you got any wise words?
You know what? You know, my wife just seen what I just did right now.
wise man.
She fucking killed me.
Well, what did you do?
I fried the eggs. I made my own food.
You're joking. What did you do that for?
Because I wanted a fried egg, I didn't want scrambled.
Now that we've had breakfast, I'm feeling lively and I thought, let me just practice doing some wheelies. So here we go, number 1. That's how we normally digest our food. Number 2. And that's how we start our day. The guys are just getting on their bikes, getting ready for some more adventures ahead of us. To be honest, this spot was beautiful. We found some wild honey. It was absolutely delicious. And we can't wait to hit the roads again. This is me just being silly old me, getting nice and used to the bike before we set off again. Shortly we'll be setting off. Stay tuned. Gang. No, catch up. I want to get everybody. And here is our adventure started. Off we go, lads. Let's go. Let's do this. Can't wait to go to the next location. Catch up doing it is. Jump over those humps. Left and right. Drop a gear and disappear.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, brother! That looks sick.
Nothing is better than catch up. To be honest, I'm in love with these awesome roads with the odd bit of traffic here and there. Slowly catching up with the dudes, going through this beautiful little town. The scenery, the views are absolutely incredible. Being in the middle of nowhere and then landing in a beautiful little village like this is just unbelievable. The villagers out here doing their daily chores, working on the farms and going about their business whilst we're just ripping through the streets. The twisties on the routes that we did was absolutely awesome.
And that's why I'm going to catch you lot on the X4. Slow down, slow down.
I decided to pull over and catch the crew on the 360 camera, quick little updates whilst the team are just zooming into the moon. As you can see, the sun is now fully out, the roads are clear, the scenery and the views are absolutely beautiful. The sun right there.
Stand up, and you won't feel the bump. Oh, you don't do that backward sliding in it.
Beautiful mountains behind us in the sea as well. Absolutely gorgeous.
The pink.
Barrage Moulay Youssef. Check this out. I was cruising along minding my own business and suddenly the mountains open up into this huge calm lake. The water is like black. No traffic, no it's just me, the vibe,
And I'm pow.
Two wheels, they were just connecting one town to another. But the roads throw you a surprise like this and boom, instant island retreat. Alright, let's gear up and roll out. More epic roads coming up, so stick around guys.
Have you got the route? Come on, have you got the route? No, but have you got the route though? Me and my cousin are casually strolling in our local neighbourhood. How do you feel, cousin?
I feel happy.
Yeah, man.
Chasing the horizon, ride to Tifni. Short adventure story down, dawn broke over Barrage Moulay Youssef lake like fire on water. the kind of surprise that tells you something wild is about to happen. We checked our bikes on one last time. Brakes tight, tires pumped, spirits high. The route to Tifni on RN23 wasn't just a route, it was a challenge, I'm telling you. Whispered by the mountains, the first climb hit us fast, the kind that makes your whole legs scream before your brain even wakes up. But the higher we rode, the better the views got. Jagged cliffs, hidden valleys, and distant Berber villages clinging to the hillsides like secrets carved in the stone. Every turn in the road felt like a new chapter. Halfway up a brutal ascent, a gust of wind nearly pushed us sideways. We studied the bikes and laughed like lunatics. Exactly the kind of madness adventure seekers understand. In the narrow bends, the edge dropped onto deep, rugged gorges. And be part of the scenery forever, mate. I decided to pull over here whilst the crew I can catch them on a camera and yeah, make a better footage and memories forever with the biker gang. It's so nice and warm currently. And the scenes in these little mountain bits, just, wow, I love it.
Come in.
A remote mountain pass where the air thin, the road roughened, and the silence felt ancient. But the toughest climbs always lead to the best moments, right? At the summit, we were kings of Atlas for a heartbeat. Tifni lay by far below, a green thread woven between red mountains. The descent was pure adrenaline, a twisty high-speed rush that made our hearts pound louder than our wheels. Gravel sprayed, the wind howled, and the world blurred into an explosion of colour dust. We finally rolled into Tifni, legs shaking, faces sunburned, and the grins, impossible to hide. It felt like crossing into a hidden traveller's paradise. Quiet, untouched, and absolutely worth every drop of sweat. We high-fived, breathless. This, we said, is why we ride.
Down there, come on lads, look on your eye, you'll see us. And then we won't see us.
I just love these twisties. They became absolutely awesome. Maneuvering through tight little roads like this. Look at the mountains on your left and the houses. Absolutely amazing and incredible views. Imagine living here and breathing that fresh air. One twisty after another twisty, as I said. And the local village kids, wow, awesome. Running around barefoot, cheering us along our journey, making it that extra bit special. I decided to pull over and catch the Dream Team again in action. Look at them go. These memories will last forever. Morocco calls every adventurer to come and explore the beautiful scenery. And my dear friend on a bumblebee here, enjoying bike life, Mr. Omar. And we're very thankful for our start, our leader ahead of the pack, always guiding us through the roughest terrains, one-handedly actually, sometimes, as you can see here. Look at the views ahead of us and the twisties and local villages. The other awesome thing about Morocco, you can literally just pull over anywhere and grab some drinks, food, refreshments, toilet, etc. Can't wait. I would love to go back as soon as possible.
Ooh, you make it even worse.
look at that monument looking kind of building on the left.
Should be a hot
The architecture is just incredible here, and the little kids on the side of the roads just waiting for a tourist to go by. The tarmac and new roads are getting built here, as you can see. What I realised in Morocco, we're seeing green, we're seeing desert, and we're seeing snow, all in one country. It was just incredible.
You're not race anyone. Right now, your own pace, take your time. You're also in the same road anyway. Right,
Areas just there. I mean, there's civilization. It's incredible to see these people surviving in the middle of nowhere. Look, but the uncles are here, the buses are here. The crew just pulled over to get some refreshments, and they're good to go again. Tomorrow, the views over there overlooking the mountain is going to be sick. If you want to pull over, let us know now. Woo! I don't know, he's got the roof, that's how it's stopped. I'm on your left. Respect my money. now reached Tifni at the mountain top where snow is now visible. And don't forget to subscribe, share and like our video. The next episode will be coming on shortly. Thank you for watching, guys.